Hey guys, it's Carlos from Side by Side Crew. Today we're making another video. Got a package here, went to the sand show, ended up buying another steering wheel from Dragonfire. Fire Dragon, TBD on the name. And the main reason why, I know I recently did a installation video on the steering wheel that I currently have, which is the PRP Shreddy version. Love that steering wheel, has really good style points. I love the color combination. The only problem is it's a little too thin for me. So when you're driving, when you got the grip, it's a little too thin for my liking, so that's why I ended up buying a different one. Also, this one has a spot for your thumbs, indentation for your thumbs. My preference, I love this new steering wheel, but I want to go ahead and unbox it and show it to you. Of course. So I ended up buying this. I didn't buy the hub, but let me tell you, Dragonfire has a quick release. So smooth compared to the one that I currently have. The one that I currently have is PRP, but in order to put it in, you really have to kind of tug on it. Where the one at the sand show from Dragonfire was super smooth. So if you haven't purchased one, I would do the whole combo from them, because it was just, you know, again, the quick release going in and out was super smooth. On this one, you do have to kind of fight with it for a little bit. Oh yeah, see, has the indentation. Let me turn on the light real quick. Dude, it's just so much nicer. I'm already getting it dirty. Oh, well, it's gonna get dirty anyways. But I just want to make sure there's no disrespect there. That PRP steering wheel is great. It's just that this one, you know, also for the price, this one costs a lot more than that one. This one's just, man, it's just nice. So I'm happy. You know what? This looks like it doesn't fit. I was a little nervous that this quick release wasn't gonna work because the push to talk bracket doesn't align with the Dragonfire one. So just gonna do this. Might have to see if they have a, oh, I should have checked if the center cap will fit on this, huh? Would it fit? Oh, it would fit. You know what? Here we go. We're gonna put Shreddy with the Dragonfire one. Why not? Let me see if this center cap would align. That'd be pretty cool. At least I get a little bit of style points. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. All right. Moment of truth. Let's see how this thing looks. I left the little center cap there. Dude, I love this thing, man. Oh my gosh, this thing is so nice. Give it a little tug just to make sure it doesn't pop off. Dude, I am so happy with this, how this turned out. This is really good. There's gonna be a video about this car, the whole breakdown of what parts we ended up installing. This was a build from G Life, and we'll discuss everything. That video is coming up soon. All right, thanks guys, bye.